Mala ka changdar chai nyor ka dung dit media ka chang jandang rawu de bangwan ka pai kel ka ron kit ni dang rawu de jandang rawu de bakel agan mak bangut gok nong ye la de kon la nong ye ni chang ka dung dit media ka ti lat ka ro de region of Sudan ken win mon and odien and wala ka chang jandang rawu de bangwan dung dit media bala brief roje check ka la de kon la de rodien ka northern jonglei state ngai kon dia la de kon information de jal rodien ganin dang rawu ni pan man ni wale en wo kur te koren wini chana mix information chana ga jak chana thanken jak SPDF like the spokesperson ka SPDF nu ra ye chi rai pan ke war gana ga te gor plus reaction ne da ne cha gor SPL mayu la spokesperson ni kan lam Paul Gabriel so that big reaction plus speculation the kon ja kon ga ne okay chana las ka vacuum that we can say it. Members of the movement, the supporters of the struggle, like SPL Mayu, most of them take a precarious position. They don't know what is happening. Exactly. Ka area of UI, ka area of Pajut. You say Kurur County. What is happening today morning? So people are talking about it. Take a large jago and take a gu kum miaka UI. With a money explanation. Can I large no tell with me. So majority of people because they're right sourced. Malaru and talk you exactly didn't go. Yes, there might be a group which is sneak in. The Kenyan that Korean they could tell and wale. Based on the basic information people are getting. So the right thing when they could yen can two source. Like for example, mungut ke kayuai, like they control UI. Today morning, they take more messages come out from Bill Palm, ko chako UI chako control, and probability would they pull nang they take UI this morning by any means. So maten onamo, meche teiter tokakamo, it is not very clear. Kon waname, I'm a more right person, the spokesperson of the movement, the Colonel Paul Gabriel, is silent. That people are concerned, could not concern a lot. But when in a war situation, the good thing is bana pit information. That can be good information, that can be bad information. The only thing is bangajo exactly what is happening in situation area one. Go take a native tara korgo prawn, Canadian tara korgo miki and take in a distance. That their benefit, key participation in. Information, the right information gamala road. So it might be a request to Colonel Lam that he need to update people on every situation. That can be good situation, that can be bad situation. All in all, we need information about what is happening. So our people will learn, will know exactly, and will support what they know is happening. So it is an urgent request, and not only one person requesting, it is a public concern. The membership of the movement is urging Colonel to keep updating them on every step. Kakuyimo, larne ko no worry, that dear, as we always emphasize, and we won't call it a continent. We are aware. Ku gumana ananga jonglei state, ananga northern jonglei. Men kupis ni law. Again the last, kake, in the last power. Can all the element, assortment of police, of security, of SPDF, of national security. Can the other one? Chaka nang tina goleng. So could you get a raw? Take a mean. To penetrate, like all in all, change the last. Tenukortin go and enjoy a carar. And what which are cool long with a carar. So be corridor dear Nabaniam, but you tell a materia. Terambiater. So, like if we talk of the situation of yesterday, Kayuay. Tell a media nothing. A bag on one, I get a mono and a dandy. asapta na latke manu ne dong ngum liepke asapkan information that we believe in ko chalat kana wona ne they are not there in UAE based on conflicting report we are getting. So the dial to yo one of the thing we joy kel ko mita ga UAE ba ga joy ra chang dar kamitela we will hear the way forward ko na kawunit. And the big thing we expect update information to be yen right source. Because now people don't contact social media with different pages, with different platform, personalities, whatever they come up with. Mekanaling go right source. And I know la take kangan method. Lakin mijaling go right source. People believe in it, and then they contact social media. They create content to reach more people. Get that information based on Tana right source. So ko is very right time ko bane kumana bane urge akonong right information. Akonong information on daily basis, on every step, every situation. Ko go akon, ko jego kon gur ko bane link. Ko all the tension ka kor la ro ko northern Jonglei state. So no is a part of today update. And generally kore pan chala kor me very devastated. Keke. Take a one yaroke that there are many speculation about native liu to quar. So large to work social media, but without right source, without source to call a nega right source to data report. Tell a clue, tell accurate information. So we are still speculating. We will take a quarter liu. Rekure panajater. And the big picture own a panaya judge. Toriola pabong. Charudi and Jaga joy low. Ko tell wawri rodi and jogdi and mayaga chaga joy log. So now up to morning today, tanatin gurga kan nakake, which is a suffering medit, kukuma ke side mo, kajan the bulk. Ajan gu medini jan lord ke then now kulo yon my de kurkulo water. So kukujamo can they no ya watchang darma? Let a test go sha goro dung din media, but we you go tiangatin corner you talk, could you know so done and thank.